Thank you.
Thank you.
From ProtoCAM to you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'd like to say thank you to all of our customers.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias por apoyar a nuestra compañía este año.
Just want to thank our customers, our suppliers, and vendors alike for all the great support throughout the year.
I'd like to thank all of our customers for their support over the past 25 years.
A heartfelt thanks to all of our customers. We thank you for your business and hope you and your family have a wonderful Thanksgiving.
Go ahead.
A heartfelt thanks to all of our customers. Stop.
Okay.
Wait, am I supposed to say what I'm thankful for? Or
Yeah,
say-
just say thank. Go ahead. Go. All right, go. Okay. All right, go. Go ahead. Go. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay.
Photobomb.
Why you do that? She was ready.
You should